Neuraltext iWriting Pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext is an AI-powered writing tool, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's only for generating text. In reality, Neuraltext combines content generation, SEO optimization, and workflow automation to help marketers and writers produce high-quality content efficiently. Neuraltext offers 3 main plans. The starter plan starts at per month and includes 50 iCredits per month, basic content generation, and keyword research. This is ideal for freelancers or small businesses looking to create optimized content quickly. The Pro plan costs per month. It increases iCredits to 200 per month, adds long-form content generation, automated SEO analysis, and team collaboration. Many small agencies rely on this plan for scaling content production while optimizing search performance. The agency plan is per month and includes 500 iCredits, priority support, and advanced SEO tools. Agencies managing multiple client projects often use this plan to maintain content quality and efficiency at scale. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext doesn't just generate text, it guides users to create content aligned with SEO best practices. This helps websites improve rankings while saving hours of manual research and writing. In conclusion, Neuraltext pricing scales with usage, content needs, and team collaboration. Understanding your content goals and volume ensures you pick the plan that delivers the most value. If your goal is to write faster, optimize for search engines, and maintain quality, Neuraltext isn't just an iWriter, it's a productivity platform for modern content marketing.